right, let's say that we have y equals 1/3 to the x minus 4. I would like to graph this using key directions. Remember, our key directions are -1, 1 over b, 0, 1, and 1, b. Just as a little reminder, we have y equals b to the x plus c. So our b value is 1/3, and our c value is a -4. All right, so using this b value and plugging it into our key points, we have when x is a -1, y is 1 over b. Remember, 1 over 1/3 is the same as 1 times 3 over 1, which is 3. We have the value 0, 1, no variable in that set, so nothing to plug in. And 1b, so 1, 1/3. So let's go ahead and graph this information. Okay, the very first thing we do when using key directions is we apply the vertical shift. In this case, our vertical shift is a -4, telling us to go down 4 units. So starting at the origin, we're going to go down 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, and put a new set of crosshairs at that location. So now all of my key directions will start at this new location. So we'll begin with -1, 3, which tells me to travel left 1 and up 3. So from the crosshairs, I travel left 1 and up 3 units. My next key directions tell me to travel right 0 and up 1. So from my new crosshairs, I travel to the right 0 and up 1. Finally, my last key directions, my last key directions tell me to travel to the right 1 and up 1/3. So from my new crosshairs to the right 1 and up 1/3. Then we can connect those, whoops, I missed, to be the new curve. Let's try a little harder there. All right, now remember, we can double check and see if this key directions thing is actually working. So let's do that by plotting a few points. So we have y equals 1/3 to the x minus 4. Let's find when x is -1, when x is 0, and when x is 1. When x is -1, let's move a few things around for us here. We have y equals 1/3 to the x minus 4. Y equals 1/3 to the x. Whoops. To the x minus 4. And y equals 1/3 to the x minus 4. Our x values are -1, 0, and 1. 1/3 to the -1 is 3. Bring down the minus 4. 3 minus 4 is -1. 1/3 to the 0, anything to the 0 is 1. Bring down the -4. 1 minus 4 is a -3. And 1/3 to the 1 is 1/3. Bring down the -4. 1/3 minus 4 is a -3 and 2/3. I'm going to have to make this bigger again. There's no way I can. Oh, we lost our little things. Can we fix it? Let's see. Nope. Alright. Let's put these back where we had them. And let's pretend that I can write -3 and 2/3 in that little space. We get the idea. Okay, so going back to our graph, let's just see if these points are on here. When x is -1, y is -1. So when x is -1, y is -1, there's that point. When x is 0, y is -3. When x is 0, y is a -3, right there. And when x is 1, y is a -3 and 2/3. When x is 1, y is a -3 and 2/3. So yes, our key directions totally work. Save us a lot of time.